Quinlan, no school on Friday. I'm not. It's an async day. You don't log on Friday. You just turn in your assignments. What did I say, Quinlan?
You said that it's an async day on Friday and to turn in all assignments.
See, I said it like 6 times, and people, no wonder people don't learn. No wonder it's so hard to learn over there for you guys. I said it like 6 times, and people still didn't get it. This is funny. Let's see. Le tali tuatama. What did I say about Friday? It's an experiment. Le tali tuatama. What did I say about Friday?
It's async.
Oh, good. Very good. Thank you. Okay, Le tali. Let's try one more. Austin Rodriguez. What did I say about Friday? Austin Rodriguez. What did I say about Friday? Austin, I'm marking you absent on the count of 1. Austin Rodriguez.
Hello.
What did I say about Friday, Austin?
Wait. Someone's calling me.
No. Austin. What did I say about Friday?
I wasn't really paying attention.
There's okay.
People in this house.
Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about Friday. Okay. You hear, Dana? Did you hear I said it 7 times? Is that kind of funny, or is that kind of not funny? I don't know. It's like whatever. Angelina, no. Like, did you hear me say it 7 times and still people don't get it? Yeah. Austin, I said it 7 times. I said what's going on Friday 7 times. Very important. Okay. Pretty funny. I can't help it. I mean, you guys are burnt out on the computer, but I don't know. What can we do? I guess I don't think if you can't even tell what's going on Friday, are you even learning anything in the class? All right. Our assignment is page 549. 2 through 86, every other odd. Okay, so let me see. Can you guys see what I have here on the board? Here's the assignment. Today we're going to, it's page 294, 5 through 21 odd. We are going to talk about exponential functions and recognizing exponential functions today. Okay? And then remember, we have the test. Remember, you also have the async, you have the check your understanding. But again, we are talking about exponential functions. Exponential functions. That's what we're talking about. Exponential functions again. Okay, we're talking about exponential functions. So, let's go ahead and look at. We're doing a 5 through 21 odd. Let's go ahead and look at the assignment we got, and let's just see how far we get. Now, can you recognize if something is an exponential function or not? So let's look here. Can you guys see 5? I need to move. I'll pin myself to see. Yeah, you can see 5 here. It's kind of on the side. I feel like if I move it over, my camera over a bit. All right, so what do you guys think? So looking at this one right here, these dots, number 5, is that an exponential function? Can I make this bigger? What do you think, Daniel? Is this an exponential function? Very good. You are correct. What do you think, Angelina? Yeah. Okay. Let's look at it in the book so you guys can see closer. Is this an exponential function? Notice, here's number 5. And if you guys want to look on the computer till I'm looking at it, I don't know if it's clear, but you guys can see it there. Notice it goes in this pattern. It goes dink, 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 and almost flattens out. What do you think? Is that an exponential function? Let's go with let's see. Angelina Rodriguez. Is number 5 an exponential function? Is this exponential, Angelina?
Yeah.
Correct. Can you tell me why, or is that just a guess?
Because it's like, it's It like makes the curve.
Yeah, that's great. Yes, it makes the curve. I'll take that as an answer. I'm going to make it bigger still. You guys can see it better. That's as big as it gets. Yeah, Angeline is 100% right. It makes a curve. See, it kind of bends down. It goes down, and then it flattens. Sometimes they flatten and go up, but that is exponential. How about this? This is not one of our problems that we do, but is this exponential right here? I think I know. Correct. What would you call it? Do you know what it's called? Angelina? Linear. Oh, yeah. It makes a line. Is that exponential? Let's go with Rosa Valderas. Is this exponential right here?
Yes.
Well, it doesn't make a curve. It makes a line. Like this one makes a curve, like Angelina said, and it kind of flattens out. This one's just a straight up line. This is actually linear. It is not exponential. Okay, so number 7, is this exponential? Is number 7 exponential? I don't know. David, what do you think? Is 7 exponential? No? You are correct. Let's see. Let's go with, do you know why? Crystal Magallanes. Is this exponential? Yes, exactly right. Crystal Magallanes.
Yeah.
Is this exponential?
Yes.
You are incorrect. It is not exponential because it doesn't curve. It forms a line in a line, not exponential. It has to curve. Do that curvy thing, right? Has to either go down and slowly flatten out or flatten out and go up. This is not exponential. Number 7, it is not because it is kind of linear. Let's go with number 8, even though we're not supposed to do it. Is this exponential? Can you even see it? Is that exponential? Olivia Sandoval, what do you think? Can you see this, Olivia, here?
Yeah.
Is it exponential?
Yes.
Correct. Right? Because it has that, it kind of curves up and it goes, shoots straight up. Very good, Olivia. So that's that. Make sure you can identify the exponential. Notice the exponentials go like this, right? They go like this. They curve and they have this shape. How it goes straight up. And then this would flatten out. That's what an exponential looks like. It does that thing. Remember, we've been doing this. We've been doing this all week. Does it look familiar, Daniel? I don't know. Don't lie. It does? Okay, thank you. Angeline, does this look familiar to you? Yeah. Okay. All right, so that's what an exponential function. Woo! It goes like that. Remember, an exponential function, let's draw some pictures of it. It would look like, it's either going to look like, an exponential function is either going to look like, right? It's going to, well, let's do 2 of them. An exponential function is either going to look like this. It's going to go flat and then shoot up. Or it's going to look like this. It's going to start up and then go flat. It's going to look like that. One of those. That's exponential. It's going to, if it looks like that, it's exponential. That's the main thing that you got to do there. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the next one. David Guzman, do you understand what I'm trying to tell you?
Yeah.
Okay. The prince is going to be marrying the sea witch in disguise. That's a quote from The Little Mermaid, if you've ever seen that. You ever seen The Little Mermaid before? Remember when the prince was going to marry the sea witch? Have you seen it before, Daniel? Little Mermaid? No. It's a good movie. I recommend it. Italia, have you ever seen The Little Mermaid?
Yeah.
Good movie, huh? Remember when the prince is about to marry the sea witch?
The prince is about to marry the sea witch.
The prince was about to marry the sea witch when she was disguised as
Oh,
at the
yeah.
end. And then Ariel went to go save him.
Yeah.
Then all the fish went to go save him. Oh, someone's trying to get in the class. I wonder if it's the principal. Let's see. Oh, I heard someone. Okay, so let's look at number. Wait, where are we? Let's look at number 9. Okay, so they're asking, is number 9, and I'm going to write it here. Is this exponential? And I'm just going to go ahead and write it out. You guys don't have to see it. Is number 9 exponential? So I have, all they give us is points. They give us the points -1, -3, and 0, -2, and 1, -1. Everyone write these points down. 1, -1. Actually, let's go like this. I'm going to, so you guys can see what points are. Write these points down, because once you have them written down, it'll be easier for you to follow what I'm doing. Now, they're asking, are these points exponential? Okay, so basically, if we can plot these points, if they make that shape, we know it's exponential. And then 2, 0, oops, 2, 0, and then 3, 1. Are those points exponential? Okay, so right here, number 9, are these points exponential? Are these points exponential? So we just plot them, and do they make that exponential shape? Then we know it's exponential. Or we could do a table. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a, let's plot these points. Okay, let's plot these points. So here we go. Do you guys have those points written down? Edith, do you have those points written down, these points right here?
Yes.
All right, very good. Okay, so let's see if they are exponential or not. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually graph them. Okay, so this is my projector is going to be up here, and we're just going to go ahead and plot the points. So if they make that form, you know it's exponential. If they don't make the form, it's not. If it makes the curve, they're exponential. Right? That makes sense, Daniel? We plot these and see what shape it makes. So let's try it. Okay, so here we go. Let's plot the points. So I'm going to have here, so I go from -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I just go, this is my x's, right? So Daniel, see this is my x's. So I want to go at least -1 would be right here, right? So you guys remember, let's plot our points. I'm going to do -2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And what numbers do I go up to? I have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. Oh. So there's -3, causing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's plot our points. So you guys plot this. Do you need graph paper or would you want graph paper for this, Daniel? Yeah. Okay. It's best to do this on graph paper. What about you, Angelina? That works too. You don't need to graph it. Okay, cool. What was the differences? We'll do that next. What were your differences? Huh? Increase by adding 1, right? Okay, so let's plot these points. -1, -3. 1, 2, 3. I feel like I should do it in blue. So this point goes right here, -1, -3. That point right there, I'm doing it big so you can see. And then 0, -2. This right here. And then 1, -1, is that point there. And then 2, 0 is that point there. And then 1, 2, 3, up 1 is that point there. Can you guys see those points there? Now, does that form an exponential function? Right? Is it exponential?
No.
Yes, very good, Italia. Italia said no, because you can see, does this form a curve?
No.
It's like a line. So that's linear. It's not forming the curve. Now, you can do it by graphing. And then Angelina was here saying, do I have to do it by graphing? Can I chart it? Yes, you can chart it too. But first of all, let's see. This forms a line. So you can look at that. That is not exponential. Does not form the curve. Okay? So I'm going to leave that there so some of us can graph it. And then let's do the chart. I'm going to do the chart so you can see how to do it by doing the chart. That was number 9. Okay, so did you get Daniel? Or do I need to pick it up? Huh? You sure? You're still right. I'm gonna let you write. Okay, so I'm gonna write a table while you guys are still graphing it here. I'll just do a table here so you can see. I can do it on the chart. I have here x, y. When x is -1, y is -3. When x is 0, y is -2. When x is 1, y is -1. When x is 2, y is 0. When x is 3, y is 1. Okay? So we could also tell by the chart if you don't want to graph it. So you don't want to graph. You just say, okay, I look at this and I see -3 to -2. I got to increase by 1. -2 to -1. I add 1. -1 to 0. I add 1. And if I'm adding, it is not exponential. If it was multiplying. Exponential is multiplying. So since I'm adding by 1, it's by the same number. That's a linear function. It forms a line. Okay, so let's look at the next problem. That was number 9. Let's look at number 11. Okay, is this a linear function? So I wonder if I should. Okay. So I have here number 11. So fill in these. Let's do these ones. Okay, 0, 0, 4, 6, 2, 3. Now this one's kind of harder because the x is decreased by 2. So I think this would be better to graph it to see. What do you think, Angelina? Number 11, is it, what did you get for 11? Neither?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure. 11, we have, so write these plots down, 0, 0, 4, 6. I'm going to graph this and see. 4, 6, 2, 3, 2, 3, -2, 3, and -4, 6. So my lowest, I go from 0, it's all out of order, right? It's all out of order. But my highest x is 4, my lowest x is -4. My highest y is, my lowest y is 0. My largest y is 6. Ooh, this looks like maybe a parabola. I think this is a parabola. You know what a parabola is? You know what a parabola is, Dana? It's like a U.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's plot these points. I have here, hard to see. We'll plot it and we'll take it off. Did you write them all down, Dan? Okay, so I have 0, 0, so I want -4, -3, -2, -1. I go from -4 to +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my lowest x and highest x. And then my largest y is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's plot our points. So we have 0, 0, which is here. 0, 0, which is here. I have 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I have -2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then I have -4, 6. -4, 6. Okay, well, look at that. Is that an exponential graph? Actually, that's more. It's more like a V. That's more absolute value. It's more of a V than a U if you look right. Okay, so do you guys see that up there on the board? Actually, I'm presenting. Let's see, can you guys see what I did there? I don't know if we're able to see it. David Guzman, are you able to see what I did up there?
Yeah, I saw.
Okay. So does that look like an exponential function to you, David? Number 11?
No.
Yeah, why not? You're right. Why doesn't it?
Because it's not curved.
Yeah, it's not curved. Exactly right. So look, boom. It looks more like a V, those points. So that's not exponential. All right? All right. Should we do 13? Let's do 13. We'll stop on 13. We'll stop on 13. So I'm going to do 13. Are there any questions on that? Let's see. Let me get back on the board. Are there any questions on this? You guys learn anything today? Austin, are you learning anything today?
Yeah.
All right. Very good. This is all I needed to say is that you learned something. That's good. Laytali, how about you? Are you learning anything today?
Yeah.
All right. Laytali, is this linear or is this an exponential function, Laytali? Laytali, Tuatama?
Yeah.
Is it exponential?
Oh, okay.
No, it's not. It's not exponential.
Yes, very good. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, it is not an exponential function. Let's look at the last one, okay? And then I'll let you guys go. I think we can stop at this last one here. Number 13. So write these down. -3, 5.5, -1.5. So just plot the points. I'm writing it down. This is 13. I have here 13, and I have -3, 5.5. Now it's okay we have decimals. You just plot in between the 5 and the 6. That's it. -1 and 0.5. So this actually makes it harder, I think, to do than, I guess you could do this with the table, right? Angelina, did you get 13 yet? -1 and 0.5, 0 and -2, 0 and -2, and then 1 and -4.5, 1 and -4.5, and 3 and -9.5. So -9.5 is our highest, our smallest. 5.5 is our largest for y's. -3 to +3 for our x's. The thing is, I got to switch my graph up a bit here. Watch how I switch my graph. I'm going to stop sharing. Some of you wrote those down. Okay, I'm here. I'm right here. So make sure you have all these written down. We're going to put it on the graph. Okay, I'm going to turn the graph on and just I'm going to zap it. Zap it. I'm going to zap it. All right, Daniel. All right, so chart those. You know how to chart the decimals, or are you good with that? Yeah. Okay, remember, it's just between, it's going to be in between the 5 and the 6. So you're,
Mrs. Sanchez,
I like how you're writing these right on the line. It's perfect. It's awesome. You're doing great. Yeah, what's up, Abigail?
can you move the camera a little bit up because I can't see the last number?
There you go. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, I'm going to check it out. I'll give you a second to write. Let me know when you write those out, Abigail. I'll try to adjust myself. Okay. Oh, okay. That looks okay. Okay. So let's see it. Oh, did I freeze? Am I frozen on the computer? Yeah. Oh, no, I'm good. Okay. Okay, let's see. Abigail, how you doing? Do you still need time?
No, I'm good. I got it all.
So I'm gonna do that. Okay. So the problem is with this, I'm going to have to actually see if this works. Move this up because I gotta go in the negative numbers. I gotta make sure you have space underneath here. Right down, you see that? Make sure you have space underneath. Okay, so let's plot our points. -3 is lowest for my x and +3 is biggest. So -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, and 3. And then my y's, oh, I gotta go up to 5. Actually, I better scoot down. I gotta go 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll go up there. I should go down one more. Let me go down one more. 2 more. Let's go with that. You need room above and below, it looks like. -1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to go up to, that's -5. We go to -6. Okay, so let's plot our points. Is it exponential? So, -3, 5.5. 1, so I go to -3. I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 0.5 is right in between the 5 and the 6. Right there, right? And then -1 and 0.5 is in between, is right there. And then 0, -2 is right there. And then 1, -4.5, 1, 2, 3, 4.5. And that is definitely, oh, 9.5. I gotta go down to 9.5. Dang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.5. And hey, is that exponential? Right? Does it make the curve? Edgar Mejia. So there, look at that. Look at those points right here. You guys see these points? What do they form? What does that look like? Let's see.
Linear.
I connected them. I connected them? Yeah, exactly right. What does that look like to you? And that's what you said, Angelina. What does that look like to you? If I connected those points, Antonio, what would it look like if I connected those blue points? Can you see them there?
It looked like a straight line.
Yeah, it's not going to be exponential, right? It's going to be linear. So those are not exponential. That's it. That's all you have to do. I don't know if you guys learned anything today. Did you learn anything today? Okay, I think we're good. Oh, I'm like looking at. And I think that's it. Why is my computer beeping? Angelina, why is my computer beeping? Okay, that's it. All right, are there any questions? Are there any questions? Okay. I don't have anything else to teach you. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to let you guys go. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
My bad,
I'll
I'm
see you
late.
tomorrow. Make sure you Edgar, well, whoever said accepted classes marked you absent. Late Tolly, bye. Late Tolly, bye. Antonio, bye. Abigail, have a great day, Abigail. Thank you. Bye, Octavio. Bye, Rosie. Bye, Angelina. Bye, Leilani. I will have a lovely day. Thank you, Leilani. You have 30 minutes. Quinlan, okay, you're back. We just ended, Quinlan. Yeah, class, we just ended, dude. Do you have questions? All right.
I was late.
All right, Noah, what happened to you?
I was busy.
Busy?
Yeah.
You can't tell me what you were doing, I guess. Yeah, make sure school's a priority, okay, Noel?
Yeah.
All right, I marked you here. Who else is absent?
I came late.
Who's that?
Edgar Mejia.
What happened to you, Edgar? You like came at the last minute of class.
It's 'cause I went somewhere with my brother, so I woke up early today, and then I didn't see the alarm, and I fell asleep.
Oh, make sure you watch the video. I recorded it, okay?
Yeah, I will.
All right. You coming to class tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right, very good. Okay, anyone else? Andy to my mate was the only one. Okay. All Devin's parents. Devin, are you there?